Come on. Do you want it? Do you want it? Well, come here. Come here, come on.
It's so much funnier from this angle because there's like nothing else and there's Gamble.
Gamble, come here. Come get the treat. Come here. Do you want it?
Fall on his head.
Do you want it, honey? Come on. Come here, come get it. Come on. Want it? Come on. Get on the bed. Come get it. What are you doing? Gamble? Come on, sweetheart.
Baby, I gotta put him up here. This is driving me crazy.
Baby, you want the treat? Okay. Okay, come here. You want it? Speak? You want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Speak? Speak? Woof! Speak?
I'll probably be home.
Bark! Speak?
That's not the point.
Speak? Good boy.
Did you ever get on the phone with customer service and ask for the dumbest possible? Like I wouldn't have thought of that before I called and sat on hold for
Want the
4
other one?
hours listening to Holland.
Do you want it?
Is your TV
Speak.
plugged in? I will stand
Speak.
here. All right, I heard that.
Speak.
Who unplugs the TV?
Gamble, speak.
You plug it in.
Yeah, you can come now.
That way it can move.
Yep.
You know, we unplug the TV.
Gamble, speak.
Yes, you can.
Oh, yeah, I
Gamble, speak.
was remote control. I thought, nah, I don't really trust that TV.
Oh, that's why he was funny. I think I was locked up in the crate for
Gamble, speak. Bark.
I am barking earlier.
Do you want it? Speak. Speak. Come on.
Calm down, sir.
Speak.
Calm down, sir. It's not an emergency.
Oh.
Yeah, that's where you're
You gotta speak.
wrong, Judy.
Speak.
All right, it is an emergency.
Good boy.
TV, it's not like the water. I can live without stupid
Amber, have you ever heard of bark bark?
He does it very rarely.
I got him to do it 5 times today.
Really?
Like 3 in a row and then 2 more after that.
He's like, I'm fed up with this girl. She's not giving me my treat.
Gamble, Gamble, Gamble. Hop up. Oh.
Do you want the last one? Do you want it?
He's
He's like, I want it. Don't want the treat. You want to do it? Speak. 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 Want a treat?
I'm here to be your house mother.
Speak. Gamble, speak. Gamble, speak. Bark. Speak. Speak. Bark. Do it. Speak. Go. Bark. Hey. Gamble. Bark. Speak. Speak. Come here. Come here. Speak. Whew.
Washington's back.
Gamble. Speak. Speak. Come on. You want it? Gamble, speak. 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 Good boy.
You're driving your knee into my hip.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh.
My poor puppy. Look at him. He's so cute.
Now blacker than ever. Yo, where'd you get those sketches?
I think you want